Welcome back, everyone. Sunny Health and Fitness Trainer Matt bringing you a stepper bodyweight circuit. Let's go ahead and get started with 1 minute on your stepper. Just a nice warm up. So here we go. 1 minute, nice and easy, full stepping, good balanced position. For this workout, we're going to be transitioning from your stepper to the ground. So if you have your mat ready, you're going to need that to perform the body weight movements for this workout. So we're going to be doing a full body workout. We're going to be doing some push-ups, some squats. We got some hip work to do, as well as finishing with some abs as well. So in between each of those body weight movements, we're going to be doing 1 minute of stepping, and I'm going to let you know what kind of intensity I want for each minute of the stepping. So for this one, just getting used to it, body warmed up, getting that brain woken, getting ready for this first bodyweight movement. So we're going to be doing push-ups to start. I'm going to be demonstrating modified push-ups. If you're able to do real push-ups, go for it. But it's going to be for a minute, so you're going to have to pace yourself. All right, here we go. Modified push-ups, nice and easy. 1 minute on the clock. Real slow tempo. Chest to the floor. All the way back up. Nice and slow. All the way back up. Not going too fast. We got a minute of work to do on this one. Take your time. Nice, slow, controlled reps. Bring that whole body down. Pressing forcefully through the floor. Elbows close to your body. Great job. Keep going. Almost there. A little more than halfway done. For those of you doing real push-ups, keep it up. If you need to drop down to the modified version, that's okay. Just do your best to get that full minute of push-ups in. We got 10 seconds left. All right, got one more. All right, great job. Back to your stepper. Got another minute. Pick up the pace for this one. Doesn't have to be a quick step. We want you to get into a little bit quicker rhythm. Full steps. Nice smooth pace. Keep it up, keep it up. We got another push-up variation to do after this. So keep that mindset ready for more push-ups. Keep breathing, keep breathing. Good posture. Good, strong stepping. Halfway there. Keep moving, keep moving. Going down to the floor for traveling push-ups in 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, traveling push-ups. Modified version. On your knees. Hands in the middle. Open. Come down. Hands together. Rotate the other side. Back down. Keep going. Nice and easy. Going for a whole minute. Engaging those shoulders a little bit more. Testing that coordination. Nice and smooth movements. Remember, we're going for a minute. Keep going. All the way up, all the way down. Keep going. You're doing the real version. Take it slow. You need to drop down to the modified version. Go ahead. Whew. All right. Back up to your stepper. Third set. Want to do a good quick step for this one. So let's pick up the pace. Nice quick step. We're done with push-ups for this workout. We're going to move into squats. Whew. Lower body coming up. Quick step. Picking up your pace. Doesn't have to be an all-out step. Just get a nice quick motion going. Keep your balance, good posture. Keep breathing. All right, coming up, we got some squats. We're just gonna be doing bodyweight squats. So nice and easy. If you're new to squats, don't worry about going so low. Just take it down as low as you comfortably can. Just wanna focus on good posture, good flexion and extension at your hips. All right, here we go. Bodyweight squats, feet shoulder width apart, hands out in front, nice and easy, dropping the hips back and down to a comfortable depth, and back up, nice and smooth. If you feel comfortable doing lower, just make sure you can stay upright, good posture. Breathing in, breathing out. Keep going. Open those knees a little bit as you go down. If you feel like you're loosening up, try to get down a little bit lower. Still keeping your head up. Still keeping your chest up. Keep going. Got time for a couple more. Remember, these bodyweight movements are just for a minute. All right, back to your steppers. Here we go. A little bit more power in these steps. Another minute. Hips back. We just worked on engaging those glutes. Let's keep it up. Power through the pedals. Stepping down hard through the middle of those feet. Power step, 1 minute. Keep going, get balance. Nice and easy. Coming up next we got a front to back lunge. We'll take our time with that one. It's gonna be require a little bit more coordination and balance. Power step, come on, keep going. Pressing down hard through those foot pedals. Five, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Great job. All right. Front to back lunge. Let's go ahead and move our mats out of the way for this one. Need a little bit more space. You're gonna step back, come down, forward, come down, back, down, forward, down. So we're working both legs, but we're moving forward and back. So a little coordination, a little balance, a little lower body strength as well. You can have either leg forward, it's up to you. I've got my left leg forward first and stepping forward with the right. You can do it either way. We're still working both legs with this one. Keep it up, nice and smooth. Few more. Last one. All right, great job. Here we go. Back to basic step. Nice and easy. Been working hard the last few sets of exercise, so let's kind of step it out. We're still gonna be working on those legs back down on the mat in a minute. So let's just cruise for this one. Give yourself a little active recovery. So nice and easy, catch your breath. You need to get some water, go ahead and do that now. We got a few more seconds before we jump in to our single leg hip thrusts. Nice and easy, doing great, we're almost there. Got a few more rounds. We got 3 more minutes of stepping, and we're gonna finish 2 core exercises. All right, if you're coming back from your water break, go ahead and get ready. I'm going down to the floor. 3, 2, 1. All right, back down to the floor. Doing hip thrust, single leg. Gonna do 30 seconds. About 30 seconds on each side. Leg up, back down. We're rolling that leg up, helping those hips get up off the ground. Keep your arms planted firmly. Don't have to throw your leg up super high. Just let that leg lift. Help you extend your hips up into the sky. All right, switching sides. All the way down. Back up. Keep going. Woo. Two more. Last one. Good job. All right, back on your step. Woo. Keep it going. Another minute. Got core coming up. Legs feeling good. Just finished our upper and lower body weight movements. Let's finish off with some more cardio and some core movements. We got a open and close crunch coming up. So be back to the floor, followed by 2 more minutes and some reverse crunches to wrap this thing up. You guys are doing great. Keep it going. Get that good sweat going. Feeling those legs. Nice. Keep it going, keep it going. Nice, smooth pace. 10 seconds. 3, 2, and 1. All right, to the ground. On your back. Open and close crunches. So we're going legs forward, hands over your head, coming together, hug, open back up, coming together, hug, going back up. Keep your legs off the ground, pull yourself together, extend, crunch. Keep going. Try to get that lower back flat on the ground. Try not to arch too much. Keep that core tight as you open. Crunching together. Keep going. Nice and easy. A few more. About 10 seconds left. And the last one. All right, great job. Woo. Let's keep it going. Last set, power step. Let's go. Finish it off strong. Power step. We got one more core movement coming up after this. We're gonna do some reverse crunches, and then we're gonna do a nice little cool down step. Let's go. Finish it up. Power step. Hips back. Keeping those glutes and thighs engaged. Pushing down hard through those feet. Gotta keep those heels on the foot platforms. Come on. Keep it up. You got this. "15 seconds. Let's go. It's your last power step. Almost there. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. All right, back down the ground. Last core movement. Reverse crunches. 1 minute. Arms down, heels on the ground. Crunching up. Touching the heels. Crunching up. Trying to get that low back off the ground. Heels back down. Crunching up. Keep going. Almost there. Pop those hips up. Heels down. Hop up. Let's go. Finish strong. Almost there. Let's Let's go. Keep it going. Fight through the burn. Last one. All right. Woo. Back on your step. Let's cool it off. Basic step. Nice smooth rhythm. Great job today. You guys did a lot. 7 minutes of stepping. We hit the upper, the lower body, and the core. Worked on some push-ups today. Worked on those squats. Got that core engaged as well. So keep it up. This is a great workout to burn some calories, but also focus on keeping those upper body muscles, those lower body muscles nice and strong. Also keeping that core engaged so you can keep moving strong throughout the day. Whew. All right, keep going, almost there. Don't forget, if you have time, go ahead and check out one of our stepper flexibility workouts so you can get some good stretching after this workout. Whew. All right, great work. We'll see you next time.